YouTube TV is a popular US streaming service. If you access it outside of the US, you will get an error. YouTube TV is only available in the US. Nonetheless, you can bypass this error and access YouTube TV outside of the US using a VPN. However, nowadays, most VPNs don't work with YouTube TV. This is because, like other online streaming services, YouTube TV blocks VPN connections. You are most likely to get the error YouTube TV VPN proxy detected when using a VPN or other unblocking methods. A VPN is the best tool for bypassing geo-restrictions and gaining access to various online content. A VPN achieves this functionality by encrypting your connection and online traffic and masking your actual IP address. A VPN also increases your own privacy and security over the internet. However, most VPNs are unable to bypass YouTube TV VPN blocks. Why are you getting the proxy detected error? Like most online streaming services, YouTube TV offers content from various providers. To do this, YouTube TV negotiates contract agreements with the providers. These agreements may include copyrights and distribution licenses. For YouTube TV to enforce these agreements, it has to implement geo-restrictions. Nonetheless, YouTube TV knows that most subscribers use VPNs to bypass the geo-restrictions. To continue enforcing the restrictions, YouTube TV started to block VPN connections. Blocking is mainly done by blacklisting VPN IP addresses. YouTube TV does this by tracking the IP address used to access the service. Since a VPN uses a shared IP address, multiple YouTube TV subscribers will likely use the same IP addresses at some point. This makes it easy for YouTube TV to detect the VPN IP addresses and block them. Usually, a whole VPN server address range is affected. How to fix the YouTube TV proxy detected error? Here are some tested solutions you can use to bypass the YouTube TV VPN blocking. Check for DNS/IP address leaks. Some VPNs may not tunnel your VPN connections and online traffic properly. Others may lack a kill switch or leak protection mechanisms. In these scenarios, YouTube TV will easily detect you are using a VPN and block your connections. Your privacy and security will also be at risk because the VPN is not protecting you as it should be. To check if your VPN is leaking: 1. Disconnect your VPN and note your actual IP address on the IP address leak test or What Is Me IP. 2. Connect to a VPN server and repeat the same test. If you get your actual IP address and DNS servers from your ISP location, then your VPN is leaking. Try to use a kill switch or activate DNS leak protection. If none are available, use a premium VPN. If your VPN is not leaking, try the following solution. Try a different US server. If you still receive the YouTube TV VPN proxy error message, probably YouTube TV has blocked the IP addresses of your current server location. The best thing you can do is try other US server locations until you find the one that works. If none is working, proceed to the next solution. Use a premium VPN. Premium VPNs have unrivaled abilities when bypassing geo-restrictions and VPN blocks. They have a massive network of servers, and they can afford to replace blocked IP addresses regularly. They also have impeccable security and privacy features. For instance, they have obfuscation or VPN scrambling features. These are useful when bypassing VPN connection blocks. Other premium VPNs also offer dedicated IP addresses. Although these IP addresses downgrade your privacy, They are the best in circumventing YouTube TV VPN proxy errors. This is because you don't share them with anyone else. Premium VPNs also give you a money-back guarantee, a great way to test drive the VPN before committing to a subscription plan. Best Premium VPN for YouTube TV, NordVPN. NordVPN is an excellent choice for YouTube TV. It has unsurpassed unblocking capabilities, fast speeds with unlimited bandwidth, and works with almost every computing platform, including routers. NordVPN has an extensive server network of about 5,200 plus in 60 countries. In the US, you get access to over 1970 plus servers in 15 server locations. With many servers, you can be assured that your chances of being blocked by YouTube TV are very minimal. NordVPN also offers a dedicated IP address. Using this personal IP address, you can smoothly access YouTube TV without any restrictions. You can also use a dedicated IP address to bypass website blacklists, online payments, and remote access. Other YouTube TV, NordVPN, is suitable for unblocking Netflix, BBC, Hulu, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and many other streaming sites. With its super fast servers, you can watch the content of up to 4K quality without buffering issues. NordVPN also offers exceptional privacy and security. It uses next-gen ICE 256-bit encryption with secure protocols. It provides privacy and security features such as a kill switch, leak protection, double VPN, onion over VPN, obfuscation, and split tunneling. You also get to block ads, trackers, phishing attempts, and malware. NordVPN is a no-log VPN service that doesn't collect or track your online activities. It supports a simultaneous connection of up to 6 devices and offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Free VPN for YouTube TV. Free VPNs are not recommended for YouTube TV. You are likely to get the YouTube TV VPN proxy error message more often when using free VPNs than premium VPNs. Furthermore, free VPNs offer fewer server locations, and the US server locations may not unblock YouTube TV or other streaming services. Also, free VPNs offer limited bandwidth, low speeds, and some implement speed caps once you hit a set bandwidth capacity. Even if you can unblock YouTube TV successfully with a free VPN, you will have to deal with buffering and low-quality streaming. Some free VPNs also bombard you with ads, have a no-log policy, and are likely to sell your data to other third parties. This will ultimately sabotage your privacy and digital security. Additionally, most free VPNs lack advanced VPN features. Wrap up. To quickly fix the YouTube TV VPN proxy error message and get the most out of YouTube TV, you need to use NordVPN. This VPN service boasts exceptional unblocking abilities, a larger server network, and it offers a dedicated IP address. You also get stellar online security without compromising privacy.